Okay, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Good evening sa akong mga estudyante sa um, ABM grade 11, St. Dominic grade ano ba, 11, STEM, St. Michael, STEM, St. Cyril, and TBL Maritime. So, naata karong gabi una or karong adlaw para i-post ang ato ang na topic pagkaganiha gahapon o sang adlaw. Depende sa inyong time kung kaya saan na timingan. Ato na ibuhaton kay nara ba tayo daghang mga holidays unya bason niya unya diskudido ta sa time sa inyong prelim ay midterm dahil midterm sorry. So atong topic rong adlaw is duha ra ako i-post tawod. So rational equations o rational inequalities. Review lang eh. Okay? So let's get started. And let's start with rational equations. So how to solve rational equations? Na tayong mga steps. So una na tong timan-an kaning step 1 especially. So since rational equations man siya, so we will be dealing with fractions. Okay? So first, we need to eliminate all fractions or to cancel out the denominator on that certain fractions. And then, after that, if need na to nga magamit og LCD, if the denominator are not the same, so we can use the LCD in order for us to eliminate the fractions. Okay? Then after ma-eliminate na, atong i-simplify siya by distributing, and after we distribute, because at some point we can get or unsa tawag ni magamit ato ang distributive property of multiplication, so we can use the FOIL method. And after that, we arrange the terms descending. Okay, then after that, we can combine like terms. Then after we combine like terms, it, um, we should put all the x's in the other side. Step 3 na ni. Then the constant should be the other side o katong numbers lang. Para atong i-isolate si x. Para bahimbawa na to kung unsay value ni x or x's if ever daghan. Okay? So, of course, sama sa typical na pag-discuss, mag-una kita sa sayo, di ba? So, try na to ang sa tawag ang kining example. Okay? So, example, solve the quantity of f, I mean 5 over 2x minus the quantity of 3 over 4x squared is equal to the quantity of 2 over 3x. Okay. Kung ato na siyang ato ipadako na para ato ibutan na rin. Kini atong gamiton para ma step by step na to. Uminaw ra ba si GP alo na mari sa likod. Okay. Asa mo to? Whiteboard marker. Okay. Balik ko na to para makakita ka. So, let's solve these rational equations. 5 over 2x minus 3 over 4x squared equal to 2 over 3x. Sige, mo ni siya ang forma. Okay, solve ko gamay para makita niyo. So, same sa akong gisulti gani ha. Atong i-eliminate ng fractions. So, if nakabantay ta, lahi-lahi sila og denominator. So, dili na to sila ma-directly deduct and ma-simplify. So, una na tong buhaton is to find the LCD. So, step-by-step procedure, pwede ta magsugod na, din dira, din diha. So, ang akong style is, ako maisunod. So, this 2x, of course, yung LCD niya or number na maka-divide niya is 2x, di ba? Then, next one is 4x squared. If I gonna try to put 4x squared diha, para ma-suffice na to ni siya, then ako i-check, kini siya, okay ba po na ni? Then 4x squared, if we divide 2x, we can get 2x. So therefore, there's no need to put 2x right here because 4x, mabuhat na niya ang trabaho dinhi o dire. So, kaya na niyang panagutan or trabahoon ang duha ka denominator. Di ba? 4x squared divide 2x is okay. Is makakuha tag whole number. Di ba? Then 4x squared divide ingani is we can get 1. But the thing here is anhi 3x. Then akong isuwat diha si 3x. Di ba? Para ma-suffice na ko niya. Dayon, I'm going to check again the LCD. Then if I gonna try to divide, I mean multiply, then I can get 12x cubed. But there's no need to really to have cube. Okay, squared naman. Okay? Kung sa pinakadako nga exponent, dito rin kataman. So therefore, there's no need to put x right here. 3 is okay na. So therefore, we can have 4 times 3. We could have 12, then x squared. Then that would be our LCD. This would be our LCD. So the LCD of 2x, 4x squared, and 3x is 12x squared. Okay, mao na ni dayon natong gamiton para i-multiply si kining aside o kining aside para ma-eliminate nato ang denominator. Okay? Ari sa ta sa akong improvise na ko nga eraser. Okay, si Pia din ang naghatag ani. Sila ang atong sponsor karong gabi na. Magpasalamat ani si Pia ano na Mari Abi. Nakulo bro. Sponsor. Sponsor lang. Okay? So, I use the 12x squared as the, multiply na to kining aside para ma-cancel out. Same po diha. So, ito talaga ma-cancel out. So, ako na ilisa na. So, 12x squared is our LCD. So, 12x squared, kung i-divide na to sa 2x, we can have 6x, di ba? So, therefore, we can have 6x times 5. Pwede na po nabalihon na to. 5 times 6x. Okay? Now, just copy. Then 12x squared divided 4x squared, we could have 3. Di ba? So 3 times 3. Then copy the equal sign. Then 12x squared divided 3x, we could have 4x. Di ba? So 4x times 2. Pwede na po na balihon 2 times 4x. It doesn't matter. Multiplication na. So pwede na magkabaylo-baylo. Then, humanata o cancel out. Kung nakabantay mo, wala na dyan denominator. And after nga na, ato ang i-simplify by distributing. So, kung naatay, i-distribute. Kung wala, diretso na. Pero this time na, okay? We multiply, we distribute. No. Wala na tayo i-distribute kay since monomial, just multiply lang. Diretso. Okay? So, 6x times 5, we could have 30x. Then, minus 9. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Then, copy. 4x times 2 is 8x. After that, atong i-arrange siya. Since naka-arrange naman siya kay way sumpay, okay na ang tani siya. But then, ang step 3, atong mahinumduman, matanang x is ibutang nato diri sa pika side, ang tanang constant dito sa pika side. And remember, kung imong ibutang sa pika side ang usa ka variable or like this one, then mahimo na siyang kung positive may negative. So this would become 30x minus 8x is equal to positive 9. Okay, positive, negative man na, mahimo ng positive 9. So 30x minus 8x is 22x equal to 9. Then in order for us to get the x, we need to divide both sides by 22. Anong kinahanglan naman nato dividean po ang pika side? Since ang atong operation sir equal man, okay? And okay, logic. Kung baga, kung sa'yo mong buhaton dali sa pikas na side mo, kung mong buhaton diha, kay naka-equal sign man. Ingana na lang siguro atong masulti. Okay? Then, cancel out. Then, x is equal to 9 over 22. Okay? So, if we can go to original equation, okay? Tanawa na. We can have 2 Tanawa ni, original equation. 2 over 3x. Let's imagine nga mahimo ning 0 atong denominator kini niya. So therefore, kining x is, it should be 0, di ba? So 3 times 0 is 0. If 0, in that case, it is not part in the solution set. But then, x here is not 0, it's 9 over 22. So therefore, this is acceptable. If this is 0, then it is not acceptable. It is not part in the solution set. Pero karon dili man 0, so this is part in the solution set. And this is acceptable. Okay? So that is the first example. And second example, taod-taod. Ato sa putlon para di kay taas ang video.